Well, here we are. We're down to the bare frame on the S-10 frame. The next thing I need to do is get some motor mounts removed, and then we'll be ready to shorten the frame. So I'll go ahead and show you real quick what we're gonna do. This frame mount's gonna go, this frame mount's gonna go, that one's gonna go, that one's gonna go, and then this cross member is gonna go. So I'm going to get started on that now, and we are going to fire up this little guy here and see how it does. So I'm going to get a time lapse going and we can see how this performs. Real quick, we also have this. It's a 5.3 of a 2005 Chevy Silverado that we'll be putting right there. All right, let's go. Perfect. Alright, you just saw that time lapse. Here's kind of what we're left with. I'll be bringing a grinder with a flap disc on it to clean up what's left here. This one was my very first one. Never used this machine, and I've only used the plasma cutter a time or two. But again, I'll be coming through cleaning up all this with a flap disc on a grinder. But this only took 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna move the frame closer and cut off the motor mounts on the other side. Here you can see the body mounts are removed, and I have the cross member also removed. I'm going to measure from this point here, which has another mark directly across. So I will mark 12.5 inches back this direction, and I believe I've decided to do a 45 cut instead of a straight cut or a Z cut, which was, you know, down, over, and then down. I'm going to go ahead and clean up from probably about an inch in front of this to about 13-14 inches this direction, and then we can start marking everything out. I'm going to end this video here, but I did just want to bring you back in. I am getting prepped and ready to start laying out how I'm going to cut this, so that'll be the next video. I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up on this. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I don't know a whole lot about what I'm doing. I've been doing a lot of research. Hopefully this turns out well. But I think we're on the right path. We're just going to go for it.